Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Facebook Live event. Today, we're going to be talking about our open house and resource fair at our new Workforce Connection Comprehensive Center that's located on Sean Marks, and it's happening this Thursday, October 20th from 3 until 6 p.m. I'm Diane Jensen, and I am our Government Affairs Coordinator here with the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board. And joining me today, we have Annette with Workforce Connection, Joseph from Fresno EOC, and Derek from the Police Science Institute. So real quick, let's go around. We'll start with Annette and have you introduce yourselves.
Yeah, thank you, Diane. I'm Annette Watkins, and I've been with Workforce Connection for a really long time. I work with our Dislocated Worker Project, and I do outreach, and I'm back up for our workshop facilitation. So I get to do a lot of really fun activities with Workforce Connection.
Great. Thanks, Annette. And Joseph.
Hi, good afternoon, or good morning, everybody. Thanks for having me here. My name is Joseph Mann. I'm with Fresno EOC, specifically with the LIHEAP Energy Assistance Program. And I've been with this program for a year and a half. So March will be my 2-year mark. So
great. Thanks for joining us, Joseph.
Mm-hmm.
And Derek.
Hi, I'm Derek McGuy. I'm with the Police Science Institute, coordinator for our 4-week program that we offer for private security. I've been with the company for 6 years.
Wonderful. So once again, I want to thank everyone for joining us. And for everyone who's watching today, you will join us this Thursday, October 20th at our Workforce Connection Comprehensive Center. We're located on Sean Marks. That's 3170 West Shaw Avenue. We're right next to Target. And when you come out, you're going to have a chance to meet with schools and learn about the scholarships that we offer that cover 100% of your tuition costs, books, and required supplies. And you'll also connect with some great community resources and have an opportunity, which we just added in, to meet with some great employers that are hiring. So Annette, why don't you tell us a little bit about why people should come out?
Yeah, absolutely. So we do hope that a lot of people will come and see the new center. First of all, it's a beautiful facility, a lot of amazing resources here. And one of the really wonderful things about Workforce Connection is that opportunity to get folks connected with the resources that are going to help them. So of course, we focus a lot on attaining career success. So the services directly through Workforce Connection are going to focus on things like career exploration, job readiness skills, job search assistance, and then in many cases, like you mentioned, opportunities to provide those scholarships to pay for some really great career technical education. So in many cases, that's just what an individual needs to get off to a great start with a successful career. So we work on all of those things. And here at the Comprehensive Center right now, we've got our adult and dislocated worker grants. So when folks come to visit us on hopefully Thursday afternoon for the resource fair and open house, but certainly anytime that you're here, we're going to focus on getting you through the steps to see if you may qualify to get that additional funding for the scholarships and or help with your job search efforts. But a great place to start, it's all at no cost because it's funded with our taxpayer dollars. So it's really, our goal is to help Fresno be successful with long-term employment and opportunities to grow and expand in a lot of really good career fields. So we're really excited to have folks come out and join us and learn a little bit more about that. You can go on a tour of the facility while you're here. Out in the parking lot, we will have all of our amazing training providers and our community resources. So you'll see a lot of fun activities going on there. And then we'll be conducting orientations for those Workforce Connection adult and dislocated services a couple of times in the afternoon. So we hope that you'll get a chance to visit and share this with other folks who might be in that situation where they're looking for those opportunities to get into a good career field. So that's a little summary of what to expect on Thursday afternoon.
That's a lot. Fantastic. And then Joseph, tell us a little bit about Fresno EOC and the program you work with.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Fresno EOC is actually founded in 1965, been, over 5 decades of investing in people. Pretty much, Fresno EOC is actually considered one of the largest community action agencies in the U.S. But specifically what it is, so Fresno EOC is, if you think about it as an umbrella, EOC, we have all these different services for the Fresno County area, over 35 different services, spanning all the way from education, food and nutrition, training and employment, health, energy services, and energy services is specifically the program that I represent. And I am working out of the Workforce Connection Center, the new one that just opened up, where everyone will be hopefully attending this Thursday when we get the tour. People can come in as walk-ins. We do accept appointments. And pretty much what we do is anybody that needs assistance with their PG&E bill, as long as they have a past due balance, there is some guidelines that are required in order to be eligible. However, we always encourage everyone to apply because there are always things that we can do to try and help. And if not us, we have so many different connecting factors, and we've been around so long. A lot of the times we're able to point people in directions where they can find financial help for their energy bills that include their PG&E bill. Sometimes they have a separate gas vendor. And most recently, what we have right now is we also have our low-income home water assistance program that is going on. So if you're a homeowner or if you are responsible for your water portion, they're actually helping with up to $2,000 of past due bills right now. So we're encouraging as many people that can hear us, then come visit us, see if they qualify, get their applications. This Thursday, myself and a couple other colleagues will be out there. We'll have a booth. Look for us. We'll have a big blue banner. We're going to have some free giveaways and stuff. But definitely, most importantly, we're going to have information about who we are, what we do. We're going to have applications on hand. And I believe that if you're wanting to make an appointment, we'll have an appointment sheet out there. So that way you can come back. And if you have any questions, we'll let you know what all you need to bring. And be able to answer any questions that you guys may have. Just looking to get our name and our information out to as many people as possible. So that's what we got going.
Wow, that's fantastic. I know as hot as it is in the summers here, we could all use help after our air conditioning has been running.
Yes, ma'am.
So some great resources there. All right, Derek from the Police Science Institute. Tell us about yours.
Well, thanks for having me out. I'm here to talk about, we have a great relationship with Workforce where we have our clients, their funding is provided by Workforce for a lot of the things that are associated with obtaining your certificates and permits for private security. So a lot of people don't realize that the costs, they add up pretty quickly in trying to obtain and then maintain that security guard license. And so the 4-week program that we have is funded by Workforce. It is something that assists them in obtaining all the certificates that will help them gain higher paying positions. And we've had great successes with the local companies hiring directly out of that program. And some of them are even accepting our curriculum and certificates in completion of, in lieu of college education and also work experience.
Fantastic. So you got a little bit taste of one of the resources we'll have out there. And one of our training providers. There's going to be so many more. So you really want to join us. And we just added in a kind of a mini job fair portion to it. So you're going to meet representatives, for example, from T-Mobile, from Amazon, from State Center Community College and St. Agnes Medical Center. So, and there'll be more. So we are so excited to show off our new location. Again, it's this Thursday, October 20th from 3 until 6 p.m. We're out on Sean Marks. And if we didn't mention it yet, B95 will be out there broadcasting live. And oh yes, free tacos for everyone who comes out. First 200 people, I believe, will get free tacos. In addition to, we're gonna have a raffle going on. So you definitely wanna come out. So we'll see you there this Thursday. I'm gonna say it again, October 20th, 3 to 6 p.m. Sean Marks. We're gonna have great resource services there, our training providers, employers, and tacos. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you on Thursday.
Thanks so much. Looking forward to it.
Bye, guys.